Wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own rainy day foot soak. If this is something that you'd want to learn about, please keep watching. Alright, so for today's DIY project, you will be needing simple ingredients only. Your Himalayan salt, your Epsom salt, and the oils that we will be using for today are clove, tea tree, this is thyme, and lemon. So what's the reason behind this rainy day foot soak? Since rainy days na, it's inevitable for us na mabasa, and sometimes our feet get soaked or maybe too moist, and sometimes after a long day and nabasa pa tayo ng ulan, we just want to have a relaxing moment for ourselves to top off the day, right? To close the night. So this is a simple recipe that you can make to relax yourselves, especially that Epsom salt has magnesium, so it can help relieve cramping, like if you've been standing for a long time throughout the day, Epsom salt is going to be great for you. And you can add this optional ingredient in Himalayan salt, so that's a little iron mineral to your body. And these essential oils are targeted to kill off fungus. Actually, this recipe is for athlete's foot soak. Kaya lang, I realized that it's also very appropriate for our season dahil rainy days na. And since paminsan hindi may iwasan na mabasa ng ulan or sumabak sa baha, who knows, right? So I hope that you find this recipe very, very useful. Okay, so let's start with our DIY project. It's very easy. You just need, this is a 100 to 150 ml container. It's PET, it's a hard plastic. So you just have to put 1/4 cup of combined Epsom salt and Himalayan salt. If ayaw mo ng Himalayan salt or hindi nyo mahanap, that's totally fine. This is an optional ingredient, but the main ingredient that you will be using is this Epsom salt. Why do I like using Epsom salt? So half of Epsom salt. Why do I like using Epsom salt? Simply because it has magnesium, and it's great for people who are suffering from cramping, yung mga nangangalay. Perfect ito. Yan. Half lang kasi I wanted to put in half ng Himalayan salt para mas bongga siya, para mas luxurious ang feel mo. So, half also. Ayan, just mix them together. I'll go back in with another half of Epsom salt. Ayan. Para maganda siya at naka-layer. And then, after you put in all those salts, bale there's 1/4 plus 1/8 na salt dito. You can drop in your oil. So, at this ratio, you will need 4 drops of clove. So, make sure to put them on different spots in your container and make sure na hindi tatama yung pure essential oil to any part of the plastic. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 drops each of the rest of the oil. So 2 drops of your tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is known to kill off bacteria. 1, 2. Thyme is also a good antifungal oil. So 2 drops of this also. And then 2 drops of your lemon essential oil. Kasi ang bango-bango niya. So, and then mix them all together with a stainless steel chopstick. Haluin nyo lang siya para mag-disperse yung oil evenly and properly. And then you might want to leave this overnight nang nakasarado, so that all the oils will disperse within the container and it will have a better spread sa bath soap mo. Yan. So it looks like this. It's nice. It's a little marble. That's why I like layering different colored salts together. So here's a close-up look of our finished product. You can even add flowers, petals, or whatnot To make your bath soak a little more luxurious, a little more pampering, in here we added some rose petals, lavenders, and some jasmine to make it prettier and nicer for your pampering session. And here are the oils that we've used. So again, that's 4 drops of clove, 3 drops of the rest of the oils. Alright, so here's our finished product. As you can see, I've added a little special something to make it look more luxurious and pampering. So I've added rose petals, jasmine, and whatnot, and then just close the lid, leave it overnight. Just make sure to let the oils synergize together. When you say synergize, for them to mix together or blend together better, and this is all good for gift giving. You can definitely modify this recipe if you are someone who's into minty scents. You can add a little peppermint, you can add a little spearmint, you can add a little eucalyptus oil to make it more cooling on your feet, to make it more relieving. Or if you like floral oils, you can add a little ilang-ilang, you can add a little rose oil. It's up to you. Just make sure to put 10 to 15 drops in total for a 1/4 cup of salts that you put in. But before we end this video, I have super many announcements that I would like to share with you. So this coming Sunday, we will be having our kiddie soap making. If you want to join us, the registration is still open. I will put all the details in the link, and I will link it down below through our Linktree account. And after that, the week after, I will be having my blending class at our Quezon City studio. So I'll put the invite here. And what's great about this class is that each and every student or participant on that day will get to experience a free session of ear acu detox. So what is ear acu detox? It's basically ear acupuncture. Don't worry, there are 2 kinds and we will be giving it for free. It's up to you. The traditional one is, of course, you will have needles on your ear just to release all those pressure and to relax you and to detoxify you in general. So ear acu detox is beneficial for people who has, I guess, a lot of stress, who are having a hard time sleeping, who are suffering from insomnia, who are having anxiety issues, who are having addiction on smoking, alcoholism, or even drugs. Ear acu detox is very helpful for those cases. So with me, I've had 2 sessions. So far, the benefit that I'm reaping from it is that I get to sleep better. So if you want to try ear acu detox for free, you can join this class. We still have a couple of slots left. We are limiting the class up to 10 participants only as per the request of the acupuncturist. And I'm just excited to share that session with you because I know it's the first. I mean, nobody has ever done it in conjunction with the essential oil blending class. So I'm really excited to share that with you. And it's for free, so it's a once-in-a-lifetime event. You don't really get to attend free ear acu detox sessions, right? Okay, and then after that, I will also be having my Davao series of workshops. So that's on July 13 and 14. 13 is the essential oil workshop. I'll put the invite here. Okay, registration is still open. It's also linked on our Linktree account, but you can also freely Viber the contact number posted there. And on Sunday, July 14th, I will be bringing our herbalism and shampoo bar workshop also in Davao. So both classes are still open for registration. We will be closing the registration a week before the event for Davao classes. So make sure to sign up now. And I guess I'll see you in my next workshops. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed today's DIY project. It's very easy and it's very relaxing and it's very appropriate for our current weather. So don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall if you want to share this recipe to your friends and family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!